6:29 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
6:17 is the time right now. Ahead of today's gusty wind conditions, we want to help you get ready for any potential power outages. First up, make sure that you have an extra light source like a flashlight handy just in case, and make sure you double check your batteries as well. You also want to make sure that your phone is fully charged. And if the power does go out, keep your fridge and freezer doors closed to protect everything that's inside. So, Jonathan, having said all that, what are the chances of power outages today? Because you've talked about the winds and how you should get everything inside and tie everything down to make sure.
Yeah, you bet. And also remember, if you use a generator, don't keep that inside. That has to be brought outside.
Very
that
good
could
advice.
be deadly if that's left inside. So in any case, the chance of power outages, I think it'll be more so isolated, if anything, but winds still about 30 to 40 plus miles an hour in gusts as showers roll through tonight. That's going to be with a cold front, and that's going to bring in some much colder air. I mean, it is going to be a change in season. That's how it's going to feel for us. Warm today, so Wednesday through Friday, huge changes. It's a warm Wednesday with some showers that come overnight tonight into early tomorrow. Comes with those winds, gusty up to about 30 to 40 miles an hour. Those winds will stay up at about 20, 25 all the way through tomorrow and Friday. And those will be cold winds. So as the core of the system, if you will, comes by, looks like we could see some not only rain showers, but also some wet flakes. So not only will you need shades, that'll be for like in and out sunshine today, and then especially as we head towards the weekend, sun returns, but you'll also need a coat and an umbrella. You won't need a snow scraper. I don't think we're going to be seeing any accumulation, but nonetheless, we are going to be seeing the potential of some flakes. Now, let's go ahead and take a look. Winter alerts, Thursday through Saturday, area in yellow, that's a winter storm watch. That's going to be for Garrett County, Maryland, and portions of central West Virginia, the mountains. That's the highest elevations. That white area, that's a winter storm warning. And then a winter weather advisory, the area in purple. All right, let's go ahead and take this satellite and radar full. Get a better picture of what's impacting us here. There's a batch of rain showers that's moving off the coast. That came through last night, made for some damp roadways. May have to turn on your wipers a couple of swipes just to get the leftover raindrops off your windshield. I know I had to do that this morning.